ChatGPT is the kiddie pool of AI. While most people are chatting with AI, other people are running entire businesses without lifting a finger.
You don't need better skills. You need a better role.
Versus the doer. You are no longer the person who does the work. You're the person who directs the ship. The AI agents are your team, and your job is to tell them what to do, not do it yourself.
Most people use AI like a copy-paste machine. That's not automation. That's just extra steps. Stop being the middleman between AI and your work. Let AI finish the whole job. You just point and direct.
Most people go to the AI, they chat with it, they take the response, they go somewhere else, they give it to somebody, the person replies, they take that, they go back in the AI, and they're stuck in the middle. I want you to ask yourself, why am I leaving this tool? What am I doing with that information? Can I get the tool?
And when you do that, waking up to a full lead list becomes your new normal.
One is attract. We have to build the lead list while you sleep. AI can do everything that you've been doing. Just think about who your ideal buyer is and write down all the information, because here's what's crazy. AI can build all of that for you while you sleep.
Tell AI who your ideal customer is just once. It searches, pulls their info, and builds the whole list for you. You wake up, the list is ready, and that's it.
It can research, it can pull, it can gather the contact info, it can grab all their recent activities on social media, it can look for pain points that they've communicated to the world by looking at their profiles. Can you imagine tomorrow morning you wake up to a warm lead list, people that are ready to buy?
But a list is useless if your message sounds like spam. Next step fixes that.
Step comes in. Step number 2. I call this convert. We want to personalize the outreach. So now that we've got all the research done, it's got the lead list, I can now ask it to write personalized outbound messages. I can do email, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever way you want. And then you can ask it to track to see if there's been a reply so that you can get engaged.
AI reads each lead's social posts and writes them a custom email, not a template. A real message that feels human. It even watches your inbox and tells you when someone's interested.
It's kind of crazy because it'll monitor your inbox and notify you when someone is interested. I use this all the time. I even built a custom GPT to personalize outreach so that if I have people on my email list and I want to invite them to something, it writes a very short and personalized email based on their situation, what they've posted online. Now it gets reviewed, but then that way it takes 90% of the effort.
So when they say yes, you better be ready to deliver. That's what's next.
To change. Step 3, deliver. AI does the work. Yes, I know you're the genius, you are the person and you're the artist and you craft things, but AI can actually do a lot of the deliverables. It's not just about organizing files and creating the final product. It actually analyzes data. It can find the insights. It can build branded reports for you. You can create the prompts that generates the output that these people don't know how to do because you're the expert.
AI digs through data your client doesn't even understand, finds the insights, builds the report. You review and send. You look like the expert because you directed the expert work.
You review it and then you send it, that's it. Even at Martell Media, a lot of the stuff we do is very artistic, but there's processes that is manual. So for example, taking a transcript of a training I've done and extracting all my insights. I'm talking quotes and contrarian takes and one-liners. So now I have Manus that monitors a folder, and as things get saved there.
Now you're delivering, but if you want to grow, you need systems. That's next.
The way I think about it is it always comes down to 3 things: taste, vision, and care. That's what makes you you. That's what makes you irreplaceable. That's why people buy from you.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Business is not B2B, it's H to H, human to human. Let me break it down for you. Taste is you knowing what good looks like. Most people cannot tell you what a great Facebook ad looks like. AI can generate a bunch of ads, but only somebody with taste.
Taste is knowing what good looks like. Vision is seeing what's coming next. Care is making your clients feel like they actually matter. That's what keeps people coming back. Not the reports, not the emails. You
can know that, so you have to teach yourself. Vision. Understanding where the future's going. And vision for me is seeing a future that doesn't exist yet, but should. And the third is care. And this is the H to H part. This is where you actually focus on the people. You understand what drives them, what are their motivation. You build your emotional intelligence. See, when AI can solve every problem,
the link in my bio is your next step. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.